Muzan has entered the chat. So he's like Michael Jackson, no doubt about it. Has to be modelled off Michael Jackson. So let's draw him. Landscape page, pencil eraser, positive, go too fast. Center point, my page is about there. Eyes are just a little bit above that halfway line, just along this line here. So center point here, up, over to the right. Spiky, big eyelashes, very dark. Curving up and over. Like so. I'm going to darken this up. Thicken it up as well. Like so. And in Demon Slayer, they tend to add like a little extra eyelash off the front there. Bottom eyelid line. Like so. And they give them a little extra line there. And then big red demon eyes. Like that. And then he has those cat-like thin pupils. And then they do veins sort of coming out from the eyes themselves. Like so. A little sort of letter Y's is what they are. And his eyebrows. So large, dark eyebrows. Kind of wavy and spiky at the front. Thinner as we get to the back. And we'll color them black as well. Right, and in between the eyebrow and the eye, we have an eyelid line. Typical Demon Slayer style. Now we go over and do the other eye. So you're not like a full eye width. The eyes are bigger in Demon Slayer. You're about 3/4. Say from his tear duct to the edge of his iris. That's about the distance you want to go over. So like here to here, boom, and then his next eye will start there. So it's about 3/4 of his eye will fit in there. And then we'll go this way again. Add a little flick on the end. And then make it thicker. Add that little hair off the front. Color it in. And then his eye. There. Bottom eyelid line. And then the red part of the eye. His iris. There. And then that big, sharp, cat-like pupil. It's nearly like you're drawing cat's eyes. And then he has like all these veins coming off them. And then again, eyebrow sort of waving up this way. Make it thicker at the front. Color it black. A bit of an eyelid line. In between. Even up these eyes a little bit. And then his nose, so we have a nose line coming down here. And they actually draw in the shadow. So it goes down to the front, right? And then there is a nostril on this side, but then they draw in the shadow. So they go nostril, and then seems to go up this way, and then back around into there. And that's just like a shadow in there. So in his mouth, Demon Slayer style, right? So he's got these dimples, so like just little dots, just like underneath the inside of the red part of his eye, like here. Another one on this side somewhere, like the same spot, I would say. And then they do this wavy kind of mouth, right? And kind of like the gap in the middle is optional. I just like doing it. In Demon Slayer, the manga, it's quite common, so. And then a triangle for a shadow underneath. And then the chin, like so. So his jaw just sort of comes up this way, goes underneath his hair, and his jaw on this side. We can see a bit more of it. Up the side of his face there. So your jaw, sort of the jawbone where it changes direction, is about underneath the mouth and underneath the edge of his eye. And he has all long, slightly curly hair, right? So we've got like a spike in the middle first. Right, and your forehead is about the same size as your nose. So the nose and the forehead are about the same size. And then he has hair spikes along here. And we go the other direction. Like that. And then fringe. Start to come out here. And then this comes down. And it kind of gets like wavy and semi sort of curly. It comes in onto his face. Like that. Another one onto the face here. Another. And this will just go back up. So we're going to bring it like back up around. Sort of join back into the middle then. Down into there. We can add some more texture and stuff if we want to. See a little bit of his ear in here, but not much. And then we have another fringe spike coming out the other side. We just do kind of the same thing, just blowing this way. Do do do. Seems to come down, goes behind. spike here, and then his ear. Like so, and then ear lines inside. And then this hair keeps sort of going down to a little spike out here. And a little hair blowing off the back here. Another spike there. Another sort of bump here, and then wavy little parts here. It's a unique sort of hair really in anime. Okay, and there's a few more bumps on the back of the head, just like coming down around, right? So we'll just get those in, right? So like here. And going down the other side. And then the part in the middle of his head. This one should come out a bit further. Looks a bit flat there on that side. Should probably bring it out a bit. So say like here. Yeah, a bit better. Yeah, should have been wider. But we can fix things. Okay, that's his head. So his neck, vertical lines just here. And we have a bit of a shadow underneath the chin. Demon Slayer do this quite often. And like neck muscles there. And then the collar of his shirt, down that way. For that side. And this shirt collar then comes out from behind his neck, down here. Right, it doesn't go the whole way because his jacket is sort of there, right, covering things. So, say the jacket will go down that way then. Right, and then we finish the shirt collar inside here, these spiky little collar lines here, and then he has his bow tie. Is it a bow? No, it's just a regular tie. And then this tie hanging down. It's kind of wide, it's unusual. Where does that go now? Oh yeah, behind the vest, just there. What a weird tie. Where does it stick out so much? Anyway, Muzan style. Shirt lines, just there. And then he has like a waistcoat and a real big jacket. So the jacket collar out like so, and then it seems to, right, so it goes this way, question mark, yes, do, yeah, and it kind of blows off in the wind that way, and then his shoulder's just here. And then, like, and if you're wondering how far to bring a shoulder, it's a face width, right, to that point. It's the width of his face right there. And then the other side of his shoulder, he's got like a white jacket or something on under here. So collar on this side. Right, and then shoulder on this side. Again, about a face width to the edge of that shoulder. Waistcoat. There's a white jacket in there, waistcoat. Right. That is Muzan from Hashira Training Arc. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.